controllers here. Hold it. Don't move anybody. Don't move. Watch.
Shut it off and back on.
Don't move.
No, you gotta...
You silly boy.
Change the piano. Okay, go ahead.
Oh, it does different instruments too?
Yeah, you press each
No
instrument
way.
and change it, yeah.
Is there a volume control? Good. Oh, God, yeah, I guess there is.
No, you don't have to do that.
Just go nice and easy. Watch. Let me show you. Get off. Get off. I'm watching. Watch. Look at it. Nice and easy.
It's pretty sensitive, too. Just slide it over a little. Hang on, get off for a second. Okay, there you go.
Okay, let's do a different instrument. Hop on. Let's play horn. Okay, try it now. Go ahead. And you can't wear shoes on this, okay, guys?
I didn't say that.
Y'all done?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go see what else we got.
That's cool.